These are the varieties of food, cereals, spices, and seeds. There are a lot of cereals like barnyard millet, which provide us fiber for digestion, and there is next wheat, which provides us energy. Next is rice, which provides us carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Millets, they provide us fibers and also reduces heart risks. Sorghum, it provides us strength and reduces blood sugar level. Barley, it's a very important cereal because it provides us energy and also fiber. Thank you.
We are showing spices: cardamom, turmeric, clove, black pepper, and Indian bay leaf. Cardamom has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and digestive benefits, and this turmeric means haldi. Haldi have anti-inflammatory, digestive benefits, and can relieve with pain, and is usually helpful for diabetes. And there is clove, and clove is means long. Long is used for digestive benefits, and it provides pain relief. And there is black pepper. Black pepper means kali mirch, has an antioxidant properties. And there is Indian bay leaf means तेज पात का पत्ता. It aids digestion and adds to flavor. Thank you. These are seeds: sunflower seeds. It is useful for heart health. White sesame seeds. These are rich in minerals, calcium. Pumpkin seed. Pumpkin seed is packed with antioxidants. And chia seeds, they give nutrition and protein.